here we are very open to do partnership with spectroscopy companies, because we really are happy to supply these fiber optic bridges to manufacturers of spectrometers. But our joint interest with these manufacturers to satisfy customer needs. And customers are either it's pharma business, chemical, petrochemical. They also are interested not only in research, they are interested in the final use of many sensors. And we are dreaming, or we are starting our work already to develop so-called fiber optic spectral sensors, which will be, how to say, similar to the Internet of Things. So you will have your gadget and you can control what's going on at the big area, maybe other side of the planet. Because each sensor will have IP address, and you can really either control operation when tumor is removed somewhere in Boston and you are sitting in Berlin, or you can control, let's say, sugar plant in Cuba, how they dry sugar in production. So you can also help to agriculture to control moisture in soil. And it will be, let's say, sensors which will be even give you some kind of, how to say, three-dimensional picture. It will be like a map with, how to say, green, 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 green points, but somewhere where you have troubles, you will see yellow or even red. So it helps to industrial plant, because usual petrochemical plant, it's something like 20 up to 30 square kilometers. And you must control a lot of parameters in such type of industry. And these parameters, of course, must be controlled like we already formulated during Corona. So in Corona, we were not allowed to go to the field, or even it was troubles for industry. But it was a motto for a couple of years, like in Corona life online, make spectroscopy in line. Okay, now, fortunately, I hope that Corona is gone forever, but nevertheless, idea to have online control of your industrial process, to have medical diagnostics, which is named so-called telemedicine, because Guru in Boston can really help to do, let's say, the guys in Singapore, let's say, operation minimal invasive, but radical to remove tumor of colon. We have very good friends in National University of Singapore who really develop excellent probes. Even with our collaboration, we plan to do it right now from, let's say, organs like colon to move to the brain in the future. Because, let's say, it's a very delicate organ, brain. When you can make margin of the tumor for excision, for resection, plus minus few centimeters in colon, in brain you have in the best case 1 millimeter. So you need a very precise, very tiny probes, which will give you adequate information about, let's say, border of tumor. And tumor is never, let's say, a ball. Tumor is named cancer because of this kind of fingers, I should say. That's why it's a tough task for the medical diagnostics, and we put a lot of efforts in this field. But right now our major market is really more in industrial application. And we are very open to collaborate with end users, with manufacturers of spectrometers, and we are willing to develop fiber optic spectral sensors. This is something like that.